How to use the RSVP dashboard feature. Welcome to this session that focuses on how to use the RSVP tab. Begin by clicking on the dashboard icon, then proceed to select the RSVP tab. Both admin and room educators have access to this tab. The RSVP tab helps you track children marked absent for the day. It's also useful for noting absences of children enrolled in out-of-school care programs, particularly when they don't require pickup on a specific day. This feature is especially helpful for the center's bus driver to keep track of absences. Parents can conveniently submit school RSVP notes through the Parent app. On the RSVP tab, you'll find details like the child's name, absence date, whether it's a school or daycare absence, the reason for absence, any additional notes, the child's group, and their school, if applicable. You can also download this information as a CSV file. You can filter this section by adjusting the date range and selecting Apply. If you are an admin staff, you can add a RSVP by going to the Families module. Locate the child's profile you wish to update. Click on the RSVP tab, choose the date to mark the child absent, then click the plus icon. Decide whether this is a center absence or a school pickup absence, enter the relevant details, and click Save. The absence is now recorded in the child's profile. This concludes our training on navigating the RSVP section of the dashboard module.